Welcome to Cube3, a rewards program that allows you to earn points and save money while you shop. If you're new to Cube3, you might be wondering how it all works. Here's a quick overview first. Sign up for a Cube3 account either online or in-store. Once you're a member, you can earn points in a variety of ways, including making purchases, referring friends, and participating in special promotions. Every time you make a purchase with your Cube3 account, you earn points based on the amount you spend. The more you shop, the more points you earn. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for rewards such as discounts, free merchandise, or even exclusive experiences. You can view your points balance and redeem rewards through the Cube3 website or mobile app. But that's not all. As a Cube3 member, you'll also have access to exclusive deals and promotions, as well as early access to sales and new product launches. Plus, you can earn bonus points by referring friends to the program. Overall, Cube3 is a great way to save money and get rewarded for the shopping you already do. So why not sign up today and start earning points towards your next reward?